Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear friends, welcome to my channel. Today we talk about preposition. First of all, I request you to subscribe my channel and watch my videos. Okay, let's start it. Okay, what is preposition? A word which show us direction, position, location and time. For instance, the ball is on the table. Which one is preposition in this sentence? On is preposition in this sentence. And we told that a word which shows us direction, location, position, and time. So we call it preposition. Okay, come to the second example. Aslam is near the Batkhela. Which one is preposition in this sentence? Near is preposition in this sentence. And we told it a word which shows us direction, position, location, and time. So we call it preposition. Now, in this sentence, near is preposition because this word shows us location. Thank you very much.